Okay, good morning, everybody. So, actually, already in a trade. I was having some issues with the streaming platform. Short, you could still actually probably get in this shorts. 358 short, 21 358. Stop is up at 395.75. It's like 37 and 3/4 points. I'm just watching for on the 5-minute chart. I would like to see at the close of this candle. We're right at a trend shift here. I would like to see this stay red at the close of this candle in 1 minute. It looks pretty good so far. Okay, so it looks like we did get the trend shift on that one. Everything being fractal on price, we could see a push up in here a little bit on the 5-minute. But we did already break and retest that level back here on the 5-minute, so hopefully it'll just continue to push down without much drawdown. If it closes up here above the cloud, I may add a short position here on the short time frame. It's pushing hard here. This 90 level, and it just closed me out. This 90 level is the 5-minute level. I'm actually gonna add to it there. I didn't have my stop. I had my stop here, but it needed to be up above this high. I marked it out, so I actually moved it on the DOM up there. And when it came up to here, I added to the position. So it's now going for 45.25. I just had my stop on the chart in the wrong place. My markup here. $312.50. It's like I'm gonna shoot for 312.50. $312.75 is going to be the stop or the take profit on that. Another short entry at break of that level, 341.75. I'm gonna go ahead and go flat on this. I'm up like $100 in this. Let's see if I can get 200 here. Go flat on that. $110. I'm not sure if we're going to go sideways here for a bit or maybe reverse up. So take money while I see it. All right, so we get a close below 324.75. I'm short one at 324.75. Probably just going to try to ride this one down to this support at 280.75. This first trade's about to close out. Of course, I already went flat on that first trade, but I'll leave it marked up just to show the signals. TP hit there, 45.25, 45.25. Was a really nice entry at just before the open. This first break and retest up here would have been great. 394.25. I wasn't on at the time, but at 394.25 could have been ridden all the way down to here at 313. It's 9:45 candle here. Let's see. Check my higher time frames. There we go. Push on down. $280.75. Let me set my take profit. I'll leave this one marked out at the 60.50. I'm just going to take it at that since I already got that some profit in that first trade. I'm just going to try to take it off at this support level or close to it. Got 2 ticks from me there. If it gets back close to there, I'll probably just close it, go flat on that one too. Get back to the 1 minute here. All right, I'm flat on that. So just to recap what I did, I want full transparency here. So initial order was filled at 21,358. I had marked it up here and I had my stop. I like to be just above the upper levels on these. I had the original uh, line marked in right here at 396, but on my DOM I'd put the stop up here because I didn't at the time when I put it on. I didn't realize that we had, or I didn't pay attention that was inside the range here. So put the stop up here, which was 45.25 points. When it got up here above the trend cloud on the 5 minute, I'll go back and show you. But basically, this 390 area was a level on the 5 minute chart, and I saw that the trend was switching over. So I actually, let me show you on the 5 minute chart. So actually on this candle here where we worked back up into the this bottom level, I actually added to the position because I was limiting my risk anyway. I had it my take stop loss set at 403 just there, so I added to the position there looking for the move down because we had switched over to the short or the downtrend on the 5 minute time frame. And see, this actually would have hit the whole take profit there too. 60, 20, 60, 50. Oh, 1 second. So that was a big trade. So as I added to that position here, my cost basis, had moved up to this area. So I took profit on that. I'll tell you the price in just a second. But I actually went flat on that before it moved on down. Because I like to just, take base hits. But then I re-entered here at 324.75. Once we kind of got out of this sideways action, we started to break down here. So we broke, came back, retested here at the bottom level, 325, and I took that trade off at 280.75. But it did go to the full take profit, which would have been 60, 50. So that's the thing about it. You can elect to hold. I try to, uh, the way the markets have been going back and forth, I try to, if I get the amount of profit I want, then I will, flatten a trade. But these are guidelines as far as like a one-to-one, your risk to your reward there. And it's almost 10 o'clock, so I won't be on much longer. I like to get in and get out. Keeps me from sitting around and handing money back to the market. So if you're seeing this on one of the social media streams, we do have a group, uh, Discord group. It's linked in the profile. I offer a free trial on the indicator. It also includes documentation on the strategies and how I place these trades, where stop losses go. Um, but as you can see, uh, we have good signals going all the way back to 8:45, 8:47 today. This morning at 9:14, there was another sell. So if I had been on, you could have been in this down move all the way back from 413 and just riding it out. But indicator is based on market structure, so you get access to the indicator and, like I said, all the documentation and the live streams. I don't always live stream on social media platforms, but I do live stream also in the Discord and our voice channel. So if you're interested in learning more, you see the video, click on the link in the profile and come hang out with us for a while. $10 o'clock. Sometimes you get a reversal at 10 o'clock in the morning. So kind of at this point, it's kind of best to wait and see what happens. Um, I'm going to mark these up real quick. So this was an A trade, what we call an A trade. That's 45.25. And if you're somebody who likes to spend, more time in the markets, you could have easily just from this first trade, taken off at the take profit, taken off part of your trade, moved it to break even, just left it running, which you would still be in, until you got ready to close it, whatever you were looking for. It's been from that first entry, 358 after market open. We're down 100 points from there. So the first entry was at 9:32 a.m. and the last take profit was 9:51, so under 20 minutes for those two trades. That's going to be all for me today. I ended up with about $200, just micros. Yeah, I don't care if your dollar amount is going to vary, just depending on what size trade you put on for each contract. So ultimately, you have to be comfortable with your size, what you're risking in the trade. But you can take that 105 points and multiply it times however many micros or minis you generally enter on a trade to determine what your dollar amount would be. Like I said, if you want to come get access to the indicator and strategies and come hang out with us in Discord, links in the profile. On X, Soso_trader. Everybody take care. I hope you have a great trading day, and if you're watching live and took some of the trades with me today, I hope everything worked out for you as well. Everyone take care. See ya.